Today, I'm excited to share a sneak peek into the future of global studies. And we have a mission to connect young people from around the world to legacy artists, storytellers, and musicians through the power of music, art, and virtual reality. And at the heart of this mission is our Indigenous and World Music Hall of Fame project, a global multicultural preservation plan powered by AI in a Metaverse campus. In 2024 at FestPac in Hawaii, 28 tribal elders, island nations, and government leaders came together, and they expressed three major concerns, such as the loss of their island nations due to rising sea levels, the concern over where will their people relocate once they're forced to leave their homes and their islands, and the urgent need for alternative cultural preservation plans. Their concerns became my concerns because if we don't act now, centuries of music, stories, and traditions will be lost forever. So, what could we do to help? I believe that knowing who you are and where your core beliefs and values come from gives you the strength and the courage to speak out and stand up for something you believe in. At Divina WORLD Foundation, we say when you honor your ancestors, you honor yourself. When you celebrate your roots, you discover who you are. So, DWF has teamed up with Guillermo Diaz Jr., the CEO at Conectado, a high-tech company leading the educational community into the future. And together with Conectado, we're creating our Hall of Fame project within their Metaverse campus and with AI-driven interactive experiences. We're helping to democratize education, and you'll make global connections through several major universities, including Stanford and UC Berkeley. You'll also be able to reach out and potentially connect with 5 million students from around the world. You'll discover indigenous and other world music from artists whose voices might otherwise be forgotten. And you'll be able to explore different cultures, traditions, and stories as shared by some elders in their own words and languages without ever having to get on a plane. And as you know, there's a movement out there that's determined to erase other people's histories and contributions. And if we don't preserve our own stories, they will continue to be banned. Music could be silenced. Our voices will be erased and replaced by inaccurate versions of our history. We believe that empathy, appreciation, acceptance, tolerance, and compassion are born from understanding different people as they are and learning about one another's cultures. And we believe this is one way to battle hateful narratives. Divina WORLD Foundation is a movement to empower like-minded and like-hearted people to help build a future where no one is excluded. And now, please enjoy this video as our official invitation to join us, the Indigenous and World Music Hall of Fame. Join us in our world because it's coming soon. Thank you.